bought. What did I buy? Oh yeah.
2 times cash.
2 times cash, auto collect cash, and auto collect eggs. Yeah.
And we already rebirth ones.
So those cheap tickets. I want to see the other.
I have to get a snowman. Here they left you.
I want to see that. Oh my god, this one's so good. Can I still win Robux? Can I?
You cannot.
Ah!
You want to stupid? You want to feel it?
Yeah, there's something in the video. I think, yeah.
Open the lucky flap.
I'm not.
Yeah, I'm not.
Let's see what I'm getting.
2-7.
Okay, well, I got goose.
Lucky block. Brother, lucky block. Another lucky block.
Just like that, I got goose.
Oh. Save up. Do not press this card. Save up. You put your eggs, you have enough later this week. Okay?
Okay, I'm here waiting for my money.
Didn't you buy auto collect eggs? I got it. Ini auto collect eggs. Itu deposit. I forgot a gummy lucky block and I got like snowman from it.
Jangan bisa habis. I'm stupid.
We just rebirth once, okay, guys?
What?
And one rebirth costs 1 billion. Last time we were rich. Can I have one?
I'm not good. Okay, I got a dummy. Like you checked your dummy.
No.
Right.
You got me a lucky block now.
I don't have enough.
It's quite like that. Okay, now do not save up. Once I get that, the video will end. Again?